I got my Brindley 10-inch little plow today, put it on the back of my Craftsman tractor. See, I've been plowing a little bit out there, but I didn't take my mowing deck off. And since I didn't take the mowing deck off, I wasn't able to get back into the furrow without the deck hitting the dirt that I just recently turned over. Anyway, this is late September. We're not planting anything. I actually just want to come in here and try to get some lime and stuff in here, because this is a new garden spot, so we're actually starting about 6 months early. So I'm just going to turn it over the best I can, put some lime in here, and I'm going to come back out with my tiller and tiller this back in, flatten it back out, and then I'll try to redo it again after I take my mowing deck off. Don't want to take the mowing deck off now because I want to finish cutting all this grass out here. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. Starting a new garden spot.